Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 11 is ready. Update iOS, backup, and sign into Apple ID so features sync. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update and install any available version. This ensures compatibility and security. Once done, confirm iCloud backup and two-factor authentication are active because Apple Intelligence relies on protected account data. If battery is low, plug in. If storage is tight, clear a few gigabytes so the update installs cleanly. Next, turn on the actual intelligence features. Go to Settings, Siri and Search, and enable Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri. This gives voice access. Then visit Privacy and Security to permit microphone and speech recognition for apps that need them, because without permission those features can't run. Make sure Suggestions in Search, Lookup, and App Suggestions are on. Finally, open Shortcuts and add or allow automation that connects Siri with your daily apps for smoother workflow. Finish by tailoring behavior and testing. In Settings Siri and Search, pick Language and Voice and enable voice feedback so responses are audible when you need them. This improves recognition accuracy. Then test a set of commands, call a contact, set a timer, ask for directions to confirm everything works. If a feature fails, reboot the phone, verify Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and recheck privacy permissions. As a last resort, reset network settings or reinstall the latest iOS update to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.